In the previous session, we have successfully created the database. Now let's verify the database to make sure everything is good. So let me get the name of the database. Database, good, it's called prod. And let me see the control files. Okay, those two are the control files. So now let's check the data files. $, data file. Okay, we have those 4 data files. Good, let's issue a simple command. Okay, good. Let's select the system date. Sys date. Okay, 24th January. That's good. That's good. Let's exit out of the database and see the folder structure. So where are we? We are in, okay. So let's go back to the root. Let's go back to disk 1. We have the prod folder, and here we have the archive folder, control folder, data folder, diagnostic folder, FRA folder, log folder, redo folder. Let's go to data folder and see. Okay, that's good. All the files are there. Good. So we have successfully validated the database. Okay, so now you have learned lot of concepts when you created this database manually. In the next session we will use some other method to create the database. Okay.